If you're looking for an extremely lightweight, compact, but heavy-duty trolley, this one here is awesome. This was sent for my review, and this is only 6.5 pounds in weight, but it can hold up to 500 pounds. Let's check this out. So really simple to use. So you've got your handle right here that you will just pull up here. It does have 3 different adjustable heights. And then we can go up to here. And then as you can see, you can actually move this. So let's say you're just kind of like dragging or pulling something, or if you want it nice and upright so that you can push it, it makes it easier. This you just bring down and you lock that into place. And then now this isn't going to, you know, fall down. It will stay here. So then you can kind of push that. Here you see it says push. We push this and then this will extend it. And then of course now you have some easy gliding. As you can see in the video, I had a massive box up there. I was bringing it uphill. I do think that it would have been better for me to actually have that strapped down, and check this out. That is definitely something, oh, got to bring this up. That is definitely something I could have done, because look at this cute little secret compartment back here. We open this up and you actually have the storage for the straps, which I think is really cool, because that is definitely not something you see often. Most of the time these things do come with those straps, and then I have nowhere to put them, and then I end up losing them. So the fact that I get to just kind of shove them down in here when I'm not using them and then just pull them out when I need them, I think is absolutely fantastic. So really compact, really lightweight. This thing is awesome, and it is going to help carry all of the heavy things.